Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm looking at some Act mouthwash. I've been using this for a while. I absolutely love it. It's a restoring the fluoride mouthwash. So it says strengthens tooth enamel, remineralizes soft spots, helps prevent tooth decay, and also freshens your breath. This is a spearmint. This is how it comes in a big bottle like this here. So I love the way it works. I just want to show you at the cap inside. Let me show you 1 minute here. Take this out. So inside here, it's hard to see, but it says 10 milliliter. You fill it to the 10 milliliter line. Basically, you just pour it in there, and then you just rinse around, gargle for about 30 seconds or so, and then rinse and repeat. Just clean it right out with some fresh water. I recommend once daily at least. You can do it multiple times, once before you go to bed if you want, but definitely high quality. Love the spearmint, the scent of this. It doesn't burn. It works great, and it's a very high quality item. Just love it, love it, love it. So definitely highly recommend something like this if you're looking for a mouthwash. This is the one I definitely would consider. I did purchase this myself with my own money, just to be fair and transparent. And I just want to share with you my experience with using this type of product. No issues whatsoever. And if you're looking for a nice spearmint, I love this very, very much. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed. Just want to show you what it looks like. This is the color. That's what it looks like. It's a big bottle, and act on it right now. Get it? All right. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.